here. Then boom, you cut, then you move the camera angle, so it'll be right here, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? That's how it's gonna be. Because if you keep one angle, you're not gonna make it work, you know?
Yeah.
Does that look good though?
Yeah, you look sexy.
Alright, nice. It's the first time I promised that. What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and this time we're gonna be talking about Ryzen AMD, a 3rd gen processor that I am so excited of getting. A lot of trials and tribulations, and before I even considered getting this monster, I had to tear up and cry my life out because there's so many decisions I have to make. But we'll get into that later, because you know what? This is an unboxing, baby. All right, so this is the box, and it's very beautiful and majestic and expensive. I talked to a lot of friends about making this decision, and obviously I wanted to get an Intel at first, but you know, I decided to do AMD and Ryzen 7 because you know, it's just very, 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 very new in the sense of it's coming up and its upbringing, and we don't know the potential, but now we do know the potential of this bad boy. So I'm very excited that it's gonna blow Intel out of the water. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. This is a unboxing. I'm gonna try to open it from this angle without damaging anything. It's gonna be a little difficult, but I'm gonna do it live action. There's this little tag here that I don't want to break because it looks cool. And I'm having a little struggle here with the tag, but I managed to do it. Okay, so as you can see, I was able to get it out without breaking it that bad. So now there should be a little lip. And now I'm opening it up, and it looks gorgeous. A little dent over here, probably due to manufacturing or something. Got a little box over here. Oh my God, look at this thing. She's shiny and she's gorgeous. AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. Check out those numbers, those details, you already know. And there's a chip, also very red and beautiful, shining, just shining, glistening in the light. I don't know about you guys, but that looks gorgeous. It is the core processor, obviously, and it's actually really cute. What am I saying? Cute's not the word. So I'm gonna open this up, and wow, she's gorgeous. Just look at her. So this is the front side. It's very gorgeous. And this is the back side. Obviously you can tell how brand new it looks, how beautiful it looks. I'm probably not gonna open it from here, just because I don't wanna put my grubby hands all over it. All right, so yeah, I already took out the chip. Obviously there's a black box, and then I got this piece of paper here that obviously is like the manual, installation instructions, all that good stuff in different languages. I don't really need to open this up, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is obviously included when you guys pick this guy up. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna pull this big boy out, and this is inside of the box. Should be nothing in here. Oh, I lied. There's this little thing. And this is the box, and obviously it's a big black box, and there's nothing in here. And take this out, and yeah, there's nothing. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna pull this bad boy out, but before I do, I could do a little turntables with the fan over here, looking like I'm a DJ. All right, so I'm gonna pull it out, and this is the big black box. It looks really nice, and there's nothing else. Oh, I lied. There's actually a little thing in here, and now there's nothing in there. This is the thing that supports the chip. Put that back in. So yeah, this thing is very cubical. It has like a little VIN number or something right here. I don't know what it is, but it's there. So we're about to check this out. So now we're going to pull it out. Boom. 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 Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. It even has a little thing to shield its majesticness. Majesticness. Oh my god. 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 Look at this thing. Wow. This thing is a fan that obviously comes with it, and it's glistening. That thing is glistening in my face. I don't know about you guys, but this thing is beautiful. So now I'm gonna remove this plastic here gently as possible, if I can. I mean, it's like kind of like really, oh, I got it. So yeah, it comes with little wires back here. Obviously I'm not gonna touch that, but I want to show you guys that it's included. And back to this, it's gorgeous. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is just amazing. It's just something else. I'm very impressed by the way it looks. Like I said, this thing is just gorgeous and it's beautiful. And Intel, I'm sorry, but you guys ain't no AMD. And I can't believe I'm saying this because I'm an Intel kind of dude. So AMD. Alright guys, so we ended up in the end of the video, and I'm glad you guys stuck around. I hope this made it clear and was good information in what is in the box. And please like and subscribe for more content like this. Like I said, AMD is AMD, and I'm very happy where I purchased. So I hope this helped you out. This is all in the video, and this is all in the box. Remember, stay frosty and have a beautiful, beautiful day. So let's see if Relax likes this processor. Oh my god. Oh my god. 3. Why'd you go up?
I thought you wanted.
No, I want you to stay. I want. Put it gently right here. See what it does to it.
What are you doing? Do what she said last time. It sounds better.
That's the second part of the video.
But you're like, Joy, yes, say how he likes it.